So is this like an older door, Ken, or?
Actually, it's a steel craft door. It's a really good door.
Is it?
They're made in Canada. They're right for the cold.
Wow. So how long have you been doing this for?
20 years.
Wow. So over 20 years, how many doors do you think you've installed?
Probably thousands.
Wow. So what would you say to a guy who's just getting started, wants to get into installing doors? Would you say it's good to go work for someone for a while, learn the trade?
It's good to work for somebody for about 4 or 5 years. And that way you get the feel for everything there is to do. No two jobs are the same. It's always
Real sensitive, these things, bro? I mean, I noticed I wasn't even tweaking on that bolt very much, and it was...
Actually, they are. A garage door is kind of a deal where once it's set, you really don't want to tinker with things. What I'm doing is I'm resetting the cables, and then what I do is, after that's done, I reset the springs.
Okay.
And basically, that'll be good for a very long time.
Nice. Would you ever recommend people tuning up their stuff, or just leave them?
No, you can get hurt.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that stuff can flying off and catch you in the face or something?
Yeah, because if you winding the springs, I know guys who actually lost fingers and stuff, so.
Jeez.
Yeah.
'I see.
8.5 turns, but you go according to the weight of the doors. So these are like 134 springs. So you would want to go with a 134 spring on each side. So what do we have, 3?
Wow. Oh, now just torque it.
Yeah. Not too tight though. You don't want to hammer it off the shaft so when the springs break someday. So you want it tight but not too tight. Yeah, usually to get this guy to work, you want to walk over here.
Okay.
And there's a button on the back. Right here on the back. You hit that and you walk over to it and you punch in your code and hold enter down.
Okay. How many numbers is it?
4.
4? So you can just make up your own?
Yeah, 4-digit code, and it usually works nice.
Okay. So that'll just get loose kind of by over the years? Or
yeah,
you
so
can't?
basically the chain tends to stretch out.
So would you recommend, if you can really have it done, see their card and their tax number and all that stuff?
Yeah, if you get a garage door, you want to see their L&I card, their contractor's card and stuff.
Yeah. That's what I asked my roofer friend.
Who do decks and roofing and all that stuff. And they don't have a bond. They don't have insurance, so when stuff goes wrong, they're gone.
So that's just greasing that bad boy up?
Yeah, that's placed just for the grease, so when it runs back and forth, it spreads out the grease.
Oh, nice.
There's that. And it can never hurt to put a little bit of grease on the gears. I think I'm on the right way. There's no. There it is.
There it is. That's,
A little bit more.
he's got a little knobber there to tweak it, huh?
Yeah.
That's where you really gotta know what you're doing, huh?
Yeah, it's. There it is. Right there, it's set perfect.